sir. I am Sayajit Kumar. I am class 50A. I am going to talk about rocket launcher. A rocket is a powerful and effective invention of science. It is a device that produces the force to move an object forward. Rockets are generally used to launch spacecraft. That pushes the rocket forward. Dr. Robert N. Goddard is known as the father of modern rockets. A rocket must travel at the speed of 7.9 km, 10,000 per miles to reach space. The Indian Army uses rocket launcher to defend against enemies and such as in the Kargil war and in the Himalayas. Rocket launcher is a weapon that unguided rocket propelled projectile.